There's this singer, Arash. He was singing I'm So Lonely Broken Angel. We'll be exploring one of the words today. In Master Azerbaijani word of today, we have Qırıq. Qırıq. Qırıq can mean broken, fractured, or snapped. Let's see some phrases and then sentences. Phrases first. Broken screen. Fractured bone. Broken toy. Qırıq ekran. That's when screen is shattered, broken. Ekran is a loan word. Qırıq sümük. Sümük is a bone. Qırıq oyuncaq. Oyuncaq is a toy. Now, nice and easy, right? Ready for sentences? I have some for you. Masada qırıq fincan var. There is a broken cup on the table. Masa, table. Masada, on the table. Qırıq fincan var. There is a broken cup. Fincan. Here's the thing. Fincan is Azerbaijani word. You will hear the word çaşka, which is Russian loan word. Now, Uşaq qırıq oyuncağı atdı. The child threw the broken toy out. Atdı, to throw out, to throw. Oyuncağı, the toy. Qırıq oyuncağı, the broken toy. Uşaq, I think we already know. That's the child. Now, these were the regular ways of using the word qırıq. I have my own dad joke way. My productivity is stuck in qırıq mode today. Now, if you want to learn more about how learning tips and tricks of learning Azerbaijani, I have masterazerbaijani.com where every 10 days there's blog posted about that. I also have Master Azerbaijani app available to be downloaded and learned in a much more systematic curriculum-based way. Feel free to explore either one. Otherwise, I'll see you tomorrow.